What's up everybody, it's me Eric B and welcome back to the channel. Today is a beautiful day for riding. I'm gonna go meet up with some guys up the street here. We're gonna go on a little ride. Haven't been out, in quite a while. Obviously since I've gotten the new bike. So here it is, the FZ-10, not the MT-10, because it was FZ in 2017 and then in 2018 they switched it over to the MT. But this is it guys. So real quick, what I have done to the bike, or what was really already done to it when I got it. Right off the bat, you guys can see the M4 exhaust here. Alright, I'm sure you guys probably want to hear what this thing sounds like, because I don't think I've done a sound check yet. Alright. Got that nice cross-plane sound, baby. God, I cannot get enough of that sound, y'all. Sounds good. Got the crash protection, frame sliders and stuff like that on here. I think this is Trox or Frox or something like that. I can't really tell what that is, but yeah, that's already done on it, along with the axle sliders as well. So that's pretty cool. Went on ahead and put some bar end mirrors on it like right away, because the stock mirrors that come on here just look weird. I think once you put the bar end mirrors on, it makes it look more streamlined, makes it look a lot better. What was cool was I was looking through the box of goodies that I got when I got the bike, because there was some like spare parts and stuff in it, and it came with these RNG tank grips, which was awesome because I actually had these in my shopping cart and I was getting ready to purchase them, and then when I found these I was like, sweet. So that was an ultimate score. So I got those on there. Came with the Yamaha comfort seat, so it's a nice seat. It looks good, it's comfortable, not too bad, and that's really about it as far as the mods and stuff like that goes. Oh, there is a fender eliminator on it and an upgraded tail light with the integrated turn signal in it as well. Oh, also forgot to mention, got protection for the oil cooler and the radiator by Evotech. And the only other things I want to do to it is I definitely want to throw a quick shifter on here, and then do some stuff cosmetically, like for the headlight housing here, I can get that in carbon fiber. The intake ducts, I want to do that in carbon fiber. Still debating whether or not I want to do the fender in carbon fiber and the rear hugger, but I think that would add a nice little touch to the bike. Okay, so I've only ridden this thing twice already. Trying to get some more miles under my belt before I do my initial assessment of the bike and how I feel about it so far. I've already done a first ride video on this thing, so I'm not going to do it on this. If you guys go to the video here, I did a first ride on a 2018 MT-10. Yeah, this also has the ECU flash by Two Wheel Dyno Works, I believe is the name of the company. But overall guys, I'm really loving the bike. I also plan to do a video for you guys, kind of comparing my thoughts on a sport bike versus getting something like a Street Fighter or Naked. If you're kind of on the fence of, hey, I want to go from a sport bike to a Naked or vice versa. Alright, so I've heard that the brakes on here aren't too great, but so far, the couple times that I've ridden it, it hasn't been too bad for me. I haven't done any like hard braking or anything like that. But I do plan to upgrade the brake pads and the brake lines in the front, just to get a little bit better bite and a little bit better brake feel. They definitely weren't lying about the fuel economy on here. It's not the greatest. One day after riding it, I did have to get fuel. It is what it is, I mean, if you're being a hooligan on it and everything, it's definitely going to drink some gas. But for how awesome this bike is, that's just one thing I'll overlook. And then you got the A mode, standard, and B mode. And B on this particular bike is supposed to be, the most aggressive. And really all it is like your throttle response. How snatchy the throttle is going to be. So I typically will ride around in standard just so it's less snatchy, just because the roads are really bumpy and everything, and then you hit bumps and stuff and it's just like jerking you around and stuff like that. So that's typically what I'll ride in. And then traction, it has 3 modes of traction control, and I just ride around in traction control 1. So there is a lot more wind in my face and in my chest area, really, from being on a sport bike where you got more fairings and the windscreen and stuff to kind of protect you from that. The other cool thing about this bike is the cruise control. So I've used this a couple times and it is well worth it. So you'll just be cruising along here, just turn it on just like a car, and then go ahead and set it. And boom. Look, Ma, no hands. I do find myself leaning forward a lot, trying to keep the front end down. What up?
Oh man, how many wheelies so far?
How many baby wheelies I've done? I haven't done like any good ones. I suck at wheelies. I still gotta work on them, but man, it does it so easy. It's like crazy. It's just, that's all you want to do. Hey, Marcus, what you got done to the bike? See the Krapovich exhaust?
Full exhaust. We have a power commander fob, a secondary fuel module, lever guards, DP stabilizer, back and form reserve sets.
Nice. This thing is nice. So I do plan on doing a first ride on this bike, guys, so stay tuned for that. This thing is nice. I haven't done many 600s, if any at all. All right, get it, guy. I did the Daytona 675R, but I think this will be really nice. I like the orange fairings and stuff that are on it. You guys can go follow him at twoface_2wheels. And then Sam, what you got done to this bad boy?
Power commander, tune, quick shifter, one down in the front sprocket, two up in the back, new chain.
Nice. It works exhaust. Heck yeah, man. Nice. All right, we got Joe with the Aprilia RSV4. I don't think he has anything done to it yet. Just got it. He did the fender eliminator on it. I think he got the integrated tail light and everything on it. Nice. Got to get rid of that ugly thing. But yeah, once he gets the exhaust and everything on it, get it tuned, I think this thing will be a beast. Gorgeous looking bike. We got the Gixxer 750. Obviously, you know, I'm a Gixxer boy myself, so got to show some Suzuki love. What do you got done to it so far?
Got a power commander in it. I have a sun on the lower tail, and then other than that, tossed on.
Okay. I'm missing something here.
Now it's a small block.
Nice. And then you guys already know about the FZ-10. Yeah, that thing freaking looks sexy. I like it. Too bad they're discontinuing it. Second gear roll. Car's coming. How was that?
What?
How was that?
You smoked me from the whole gear at second, and then when I was giving it to third, all of my settings kicked up and told me to slow down. Fucking traction control kicked in, and then I ended up catching up on you like the middle of third.
Yeah, I was trying to like look over to get, but then right when I looked over, you were like,
all of second gear, you had about a car gap between us, and then from third I closed it, and third I passed you.
Nice.
That low end power is unreal.
Yeah.
Unreal.
Yeah, we're good. Thank you.
You do.
All right. That was pretty fun. Beautiful day to get out and ride. get up with the boys, get on the bikes and have a little bit of fun, a little bit of smackdown action. If you guys are liking what you're seeing, be sure to give me a thumbs up. If you're new to the channel, be sure to subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.